Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In today's video, I will discuss some cooking gadgets that will surprise you, and you will not even think that you do not have such gadgets in your kitchen without your knowledge. I have searched and discovered all those gadgets and brought them to you. So without wasting time, watch the video completely, and our gadgets are very important to make your life happy. So let's see in the video which gadgets are on our list. Non-stick frying pan, Swiss non-stick coating, Switzerland ILAG non-stick granite coating, PFOA-free, smokeless, safe, healthy. Cooking with little oil for healthy diet. Suitable for all stoves, high magnetic conductive stainless steel base allows the deep frying pan to work on all cooktops, including induction. The core of the frying pan is made of die-cast aluminum, which is sturdy and heats up quickly and evenly. Glass lid stay cool handle. High-quality tempered glass lid makes it convenient to see the cooking status and limits splashes on your stove. Wood grain Bakelite handle is comfortable to grip and stays cool while cooking. Oven safe to 302 degrees Fahrenheit. Easy to clean, non-stick and no rivets. This chef pan is super easy to clean. Simply wipe it over with a sponge and warm soapy water. Make your daily food intake easier to make. Pancake batter dispenser. Batter up. KP Kitchen proudly presents to you our durable and reliable pancake dispenser cupcake batter dispenser. Made entirely of high-quality BPA-free plastic, this easy-to-use 4-cup capacity pourer is designed with a wide mouth opening, making filling it up a breeze, and the quick close valve makes pouring the perfect pancake like a pro seem like child's play. New updated design to prevent breaking. Our redesigned pulley handle has been repositioned to ensure quality and durability. In short, it won't break. So squeeze away pancake after pancake. Not to mention our fail-safe valve doesn't leak, leaving your hands and kitchen clean and making it safe to use by your little kids. Best of all, it's 3/4 inch wide, allowing for chunky muffin mix to slide through easy breezy. Kitchen tongs set. Food-level stainless steel. The heavy-duty Hotech kitchen tongs built with stainless steel, sturdy, heat resistance, anti-rust, anti-corrosion, lightweight, easy to handle, like new forever. This tongs for cooking comes with a set of 2 standard 9 cooking tongs and large-sized 12 barbecue grill tongs. Food safe, carbon-free certified. Pull ring lock and unlock and hanging loop. This kitchen tongs set has locking mechanism. Pull the ring for lock and push for unlock, super easy operation. Hang them with the hanging loop after use or put in the drawer by pulling the ring to lock it, space saving. Engineering for safety. New design pattern for the handle, better protects your hands from cutting by the edge when you grip the handle. Easy to control the handle and to eliminate wobbling any risk of burning your hands. Electric skillet. Dishwasher safe and fully immersible in your sink for fast, easy cleanup upon removal of the temperature control unit. Thick cast aluminum body with black lacquer finish resists rusting or warping for added resilience. Marbleized nonstick is more durable than nonstick and will not crack or peel. It quickly releases food for a no-fuss quick and easy cleanup. Scratch-resistant surface allows for worry-free cooking. Rapid plus even heat from our fully embedded heating element. With its trigger release control probe, you can pinpoint temperatures of 200 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and prevent hot spots and scorched food. 1-year warranty and US-based customer support team. The Elite Gourmet Deep Dish Electric Skillet includes base, removable thermostat, refrigerator pantry organizer bins. 1 0-pack pantry storage containers. The 10 PCS fridge organizer helps you store fruits, vegetables, yogurt, cheese, and meat in the fridge, freezer, cabinets, or deep pantry shelves. Keep your cluttered refrigerator, freezer, countertop, kitchen cabinets, or pantry clean and neatly organized with these space-saving clear plastic storage bins. Stackable drain tray design. Stackable design to help maximize your refrigerator storage space. The lids of fridge containers are not airtight and can effectively prevent dust and odors. The bottom of the large vegetable storage containers for the refrigerator has a drain hole that can be easily opened to drain excess water after washing vegetables and fruits, preventing moisture and keeping them fresh. Food dehydrator. With 6 stainless steel trays providing 6.5 square feet of drying space, this dehydrator is 27% larger than standard 7-tray models, allowing you to dry more food at once. Equipped with a 600W motor, rear-mounted drying fan, and upgraded airflow technology for faster, more even drying without manual intervention. Auto shutoff kicks in right when the timer ends. Overheat protection will activate if the dehydrator overheats. Crafted with food-grade stainless steel for durable and safe snack making. An ideal gift for those who enjoy making homemade dried foods like fruits, meats, vegetables, and pet treats and more. Perfect for various occasions like Christmas, anniversaries, weddings, birthdays, Valentine's Day, and Thanksgiving. Cast iron smashed burger press. Heavy-duty cast iron. 6.5 cast iron burger press ensures even pressure, creating juicy, flavorful smashed burgers every time. Perfect smash burger crust. Flat edge helps achieve crispy, caramelized edges for that classic smash burger taste. Versatile smashing. Ideal for use on griddles, skillets, and grills, making it perfect for both indoor cooking and outdoor cookouts. Easy to clean. This hamburger smasher tool can be cleaned by hand washing with warm water and mild soap for quick and hassle-free cleanup. Knife sharpener kit. Precision sharpness, lasting edge. Professional chefs invest in high-quality knife sharpener. Protect your tools with the YOHO rolling knife sharpener. Its intuitive design restores razor-sharp edges in seconds, maintaining peak performance for extended use. Perfect for home cooks and experts alike, achieve professional-level precision effortlessly. Diamond ceramic dual discs. The YOHO rolling knife sharpener kit combines number 400 diamond grit, industrial-grade abrasives, and number 1000 ceramic disc for precision sharpening. How to use a knife sharpening kit. First, grind away dull edges with diamond, then polish with ceramic, achieving razor-sharp results in minutes. 15-degree 20-degree magnetic support. The YOHO rolling knife sharpener ensures consistent grinding angles, vital for precision. Knife sharpeners features dual-angle modes, 20 degrees ideal for daily kitchen knives, 15 degrees for ultra-sharp edges or fine cuts. Adapting to diverse needs, excludes serrated blades/scissors. Stainless steel fish spatula set. Set of 2 stainless steel spatula. Our spatula set comes with 1 large fish flipper spatula plus 1 small pancake spatula. The large one is perfect for flipping delicate fish fillets, steaks, patties more, while the small one is great for turning small pieces of food like cookies, omelets, pancakes, eggs more. High quality, built to last, durable. Our thin metal spatula set is made from 304 stainless steel that is rust-proof and corrosion-resistant. This slotted turner allows grease to drain and slides smoothly under food without causing any damage, thanks to its perfect thickness and flexibility. Easy grip with modern design. The lightweight stainless steel turner with a non-slip handle ensures a comfortable grip and precise control, which makes it easier to grill, fry food. Its modern, sleek design doesn't just look good, but fits flawlessly into any kitchen style.